Today I will start my garden tour with a haul from Dollar General. These are things for the outside, for both the porch and the yard garden. We'll start right here with this spin wheel. Two comes in a pack, and they were $1.25, and I got 2 packs. Now these garden stake solar lights, I got those from Roses about 2 weeks ago. And as you can see, they're $1.25, and I bought 4 of those. And then look at these little sweet boots for $3 from Dollar General. Both of them says love. One is blue and the other one is red. And look at the birds. A red bird. Isn't that adorable? And the bluebird. And then this gardening sign that says, gardening is good for the soul. It really is. And then I bought 2 of the water cans. And I still got some of my dining table things on it. So, you see the larger one? Let me see. I don't remember. I just asked for it. It was $8. Let me see. Can I hold this up so you can see? $9. The larger one, $9. Then the smaller one, here we go, $3. And I got them both green. So this is the very small haul, but I wanted you to show when you see them. And I forgot these. They're sitting here by me. I forgot. I got these to put up in the new space where some more flowers will be. Now that will come next week, but you will already have seen these. And here's a tag, $1 a piece, and I got 6 of them. Okay, now I haven't been here in 5 days, so we're going to see it for the first time. I peeped over at it and kept walking, trying to get in the house when I first came. So hold on, and I'm going to take you out so we can just get a quick walk through the garden. Thank you for being here. Like, comment, and consider subscribing. Will you help me get to 300 subscribers? Thank you. Okay, here we are. I put one of the pinwheels in here. Look how they're growing. This is the 5th week. I put a little bird in here. They are continuously, the little red bird there. I'm going to leave the big container out. My son already filled it with water for me, so I can water some plants later on. Here's the sign that says garden is good for the soul. I'm just going to go quickly. You can tell the ones who have been with me for the last 5 weeks can tell they are growing. Started from little babies, except for this one. I bought it that size. And look how this one is filling all around the duck now. It's coming to the side. And this vine is just spreading. I like that. And let me show you where the next setup, which is the last one, will be. And we've already put the little gates down. Got a pinwheel there, have 6 of them. And in front of 4 of them is the solar lights. And then on the end, there will be a pinwheel until I find what I'm going to put there. But all I need now is 6 pots. Plant those. We'll do that next week. One of them, or maybe 2 of them, will be some type of vegetable. And the rest of them flowers. Here's the other side. Hi. Look at the baby, it's growing. It's just been a week. Had to put something new in there. This one is still thriving. And of course it needs watering, but I'll do that later on. These ones still holding up. And I just put one of the boots, the red one, on the porch. This one was just dirt, and now it's coming up. Okay. And look at here. They're sprouting. Couldn't even see it last week. I put a pinwheel up here. And the little babies over here, they are hungry. They will be fed when the sun goes down. And the last 2 on the porch. I'll be taking the flags down on Monday. And also the wreath on the door. So thank you all for being here. Blessings.